How to add and edit texts in Canva. If you still haven't installed Canva yet, you can check our video on how to install Canva. Link provided in the description below. To begin, open up Canva and select the design you want to work on. Once you've done that, follow these simple steps to add text. On the Editor side panel, click on the Text tab. Here, you'll find options to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Canva also provides font combinations to choose from. Alternatively, you can use a shortcut by pressing the T key on your keyboard to quickly insert a text box into your design. Now that you know how to add text, let's move on to editing it. Follow these steps. Double-click the text box you want to edit. This will bring up the text edit options on the Editor toolbar. Delete or modify the text content as needed. Use the formatting options available on the toolbar to customize the appearance of your text. To finish editing, simply click outside the text box. Excellent work! Now that you've mastered the art of adding and editing text in Canva, let's move on to duplicating and deleting text boxes. Select the text box you want to duplicate by clicking on it. On the floating toolbar that appears above or below the text box, click on the Duplicate option. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts. After selecting the text box, press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to paste. Fantastic job! Finally, let's cover how to delete text boxes from your design. Click to select the text box you want to delete. On the floating toolbar that appears above or below the text box, click on the Delete option. Alternatively, you can use the backspace key on Windows to delete the selected text box. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below.